Make is one of the most common words in English. Make is one of the most common words in English. So today we'll try to see those phrasal verbs that go with make. Come on, Gamedu? Can make go. Here is the first phrasal verb that can go with make. Make after. Say, Advar, make after.
Make after.
Make after. You know the meaning of make and you know the meaning of after, right? Yeah. But we're not talking about to make something after the other. We're not talking about that. To make after means to chase. What does it mean?
Chase.
To chase or follow. To chase or follow. To chase or follow. For example, the policeman, made after the thief. The policeman made after the thief. You know the policeman made after the thief. The policeman followed the thief or chased the thief, right? Do you understand me?
Yes.
So, what do you mean by make after? What do you mean by make after? To chase or follow. The policeman chased after the thief, or the policeman made after the thief. It just means to chase or follow, which means መከታተል ማሯሯጥ ምናምን. All right, make after. Yes or no?
Yes.
The policeman made after the thief. Interesting. Which means ምን ማለት ነው? Chase or follow, መከታተል ማሯሯጥ ምናምን የሚል ትርጉም አለው ማለት ነው. All right, interesting. So what is the past tense of make? Made. Very good. The past tense of make is made. Very good. And do you have any confusion, Advar? Any confusion? No. All right, interesting. And next phrasal verb is make up. Say make up.
Make up. Make up.
And next phrasal verb is make up, which is very common. All right? Yeah. Which is very common. So to make up means, first meaning of make up is to make peace. What does it mean? To make peace. To make peace. All right? Okay, please come back. Let's make up. I really miss you. Okay? So what can you say? Please come back. Say.
Please come back.
Please come back.
Let's make up.
Let's make up. Or I want to make up, right?
Mm-hmm.
I want to make up. I want to make up. I know I disappointed you. Where are you? Please come back because I want to make up, all right? Which means I want to make peace, all right? Interesting. መታረቅ ነው አይደል? ሰላም መፍጠር፣ ሰላም ማድረግ. Make peace, all right? That means make up. Say make up.
Make up.
Imagine that you got a fight with your girl. Yeah. And then you haven't called her for so many days. And then you call her, please come back. I want to make up. I really miss you, right? I really miss you. So to make up means to make peace, all right? Here the first meaning of make up. And the second meaning of make up is to create your own story. To create a story or to invent your own story. Yes or no? For example, if I tell you something, if you don't believe in it, all right? What can you say? This is not the fact. This is not the reality. I think you made up this story. Yes or no? Yes. So what do you mean by make up? To create a story. Yes. Your own story. Right? Do you understand me?
Yes.
All right. Interesting. Okay. Did you make up this story? Did you?
Make up.
Did you make up? This story. Hey man, did you make up this story? አንተ ነው የፈጠርከው ይሄንን ወሬ ነው. Did you make up this story? It's not the fact. It's not the reality. I think you made up this story. All right. So to make up a story means, what do you mean by making up a story? To create or invent your own stories. All right. Yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
የራስ አስመስለ መፍጠር ያንን ነገር ልክ በሌላ ሰው እንደተወራ አድርገህ ማለት ነው. All right. Is it clear?
Yes.
Interesting. Do you have a question here, please?
No.
Any question you have here?
No.
Any question? All right. Interesting. And next phrasal verb is, make out. Make what? Out. You know the meaning of make? You know the meaning of out? So to make out doesn't mean that to make something, to prepare something out of your house or something else. No, it doesn't mean like that. To make out means, to succeed. What does it mean?
To succeed.
To succeed in your business. To succeed what? To succeed in business. In what?
Business.
In business. To succeed in business. That's the meaning of, make out. Do you understand me?
Yes.
So, you can say, have you made out? Say, have you made out in your business? In your business, በቢዝነስ ተሳክቶልሃል እያላችሁት ነው ማለት ነው. So to make out means to succeed in business, all right? Do you understand me?
Yes.
So have you made out in your business?
Yes.
All right, yes, I have. Okay. So what do you mean by make out? To succeed, መሳካት በምንድን? In business. በቢዝነስ ሲሳካ I have made out in my business ካለ በቢዝነስ ተሳክቶልኛል እያልክ ነው ማለት ነው። Is it clear?
Yes.
That's the opposite of fail. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Or that's the opposite of, lose. You lose your business, all right? You lose your money. If you just make out, what does it mean? You become successful. ምን ማለት ነው? Successful መሆን ማለት ነው. Is it clear?
Yes.
ተጋብተናል አሁን አድባሩ? Any confusion you have here, please? Any confusion?
No.
All right, interesting. Okay, nice. And the next one is make up for. How many prepositions do we have here? 4. I mean, 2 prepositions. Make and?
For.
4. So make up for. Say with me, Steve. Make up for. But see?
Make up for.
To make up for means to recover. What does it mean?
To recover.
To recover. Or to make something better. Or to make?
Something better.
Make something better. All right? So, for example, nothing, I can give you examples here. Nothing can make up for the loss of a child. Yes or no?
Yes.
ማንም የሚተካው የለም ነው? Yes or no?
Yes.
So he says that nothing can make up for the loss of a child. So what do you mean by make up for? One is to recover or to compensate. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or the other one is to make something better. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So how many phrasal verbs did we see so far?
For.
4 phrasal verbs. Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you have any confusions here? Any confusion you have here?
No.
Any confusion here?
No.
I want you to stay with me. I do have other phrasal verbs with what? With make. And then so make up for means to recover or to make something better. All right? Interesting. Okay. So stay with me. I'm going to teach you better. All right. So the next one is make for. So what do you mean by make for? Make and for, right? What do you think is the meaning of make for? To make for means to move forward. What does it mean? To move forward. Okay? So, to move forward, look. You can say, look. He is making for the door. For the door. What is he moving? What is he moving? He's moving to the door. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what do you mean by make for? To move forward. All right? Yes. So look. He's making for the door means he's moving towards the door. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So what do you mean by make for? To move forward. Not backward, but forward. I'm making for the door. I'm making for the gate of the house. I'm making for the school. You can say many different things. All right? Is it clear?
Yes.
All right. Interesting. Do you have a question here, please? All right. Interesting. So can you make your own examples? Your own examples.
I want to make for in my career. No, not really.
Huh?
I
I want to.
want to make for in my career maybe.
Want to make for my career, or you can say I want to make for the school.
The school, yes.
Yeah, you're moving. All right. I want to make for the school means I want to just move forward to the school. Do you understand me? So that's the meaning of make for. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Our next one is make into. Make. To make means to prepare something, to construct something, to create something. So you make something into something else. Yes or no? You make something into something else. It just means that to change. What does it mean? To change something. የሆነ ነገር መቀየር አለ። To change something into something else. Something else. የሆነ ነገር ወደ ሌላ ነገር መቀየር ማለት ነው። All right, interesting. For example, let's make the room into an office. Into what? An office. So you're making or you're changing the room into Into what? An office. So you're saying, let's make the room into an office, all right? Let's make the room into an office. It means that let's change the room into an office, all right? Yes or no? So what do you mean by make into? To change something into something else, all right? Into something else. Okay, can you make your own examples, please? Your own example.
Let's make this top to a dress, maybe.
Let's make this studio into?
A classroom.
Into a classroom. Very good. So you can say, let's make this studio. Studio into a classroom. Yeah? A class? Let's change it, right?
Yes.
Into a classroom. Very good. Into a classroom. Interesting. So what do you mean by make into? To change something? Into something else. Yeah. That's the meaning of? Make into, right? Make into. And next phrasal verb is makeover. What is the next phrasal verb?
Makeover.
Makeover. What do you mean by makeover? To make over, for example, the tailor is making over, her dress. So what do you mean makeover? Madness. Very good. Okay, that's it. That means renovate. Renovate. Okay? So to make something new again. Do you understand me? So what do you mean by makeover, Brooke? To renovate. How do you pronounce it? Read it. Renovate, right? Yes. So you can say the tailor, you know the meaning of tailor? ልብስ የሚሰፋ ሰው ምን ይባላል? The tailor has made over her dress. Her dress. So you can say the tailor has made over her dress. The tailor made the dress new, yes or no? Yes. Right? Madness ማለት ነው. That's what you said, all right? So makeover means renovate. The tailor, what do you mean by tailor? ልብስ የሚሰፋ ሰው ማለት tailor. The tailor has made over her dress. Yes. Right? Her dress. ምኗን አደሰላት ነው? Dress-ን ቀሚሷን ማለት ነው. Am I clear? Yes. So makeover means renovate. What does it mean? Renovate. Very good. Do you have a question here, please? Any question you have?
No.
Any question?
No.
Huh?
No.
All right. Interesting. And number 8 is make off. Steve, make off. But see?
Make off.
You know the meaning of make? You know the meaning of off?
Yes.
Off ስትሉ የ ማለት ነው አይደል? Huh?
Yes.
All right. To make off means to have an impression about something. To have an impression.
About something.
Yeah, about something. To have an impression about something. That's the meaning of make off, all right? So, can you make your own example? Can you make off? Can you make off anything? Can you make off anything about the information? Yeah?
The information, yes.
It means, can you have an impression of the information? Do you understand me?
Yes.
So what do you mean by make off? To have an impression about something. That's the meaning of make off, right? So I have told you that. What is the meaning of this? I mean, what is the past tense of this make?
Made.
Huh? Yeah, make past tense man. Made. All right. The past tense of make is made. So here, can you make off anything about the information? It means that can you have an impression about the information? Is it clear? Yes. So to make off means to have an impression about something. Is it clear?
Yes.
Do you have any confusion?
No.
I think ዝም ብላችሁ መሰለኝ yes የምትሉ ግን ብሩክ ሳስበው is it clear? Said yes ምናምን ነገር. Is it clear? አንተ? Are you sure?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
እርግጠኛ ነሽ?
Yes.
እርግጠኛ ነህ?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Number 9 is make forward. Make what? To words, sorry. Make to words. It means to go to words. To go?
Towards.
To words. To go to words. It just means ወደሆነ ነገር ማምራት ማለት ነው አይደል? I'm making towards the school.
Toward the school.
ወዴት እያመራሁ ነው? ወዴት ነው? I'm making towards the school, or you can say I'm making towards the shop. I'm making towards the supermarket. Yes or no? I'm making towards the bus station. So what do you mean by make towards? What is the meaning of make towards? It means to go forward, or like to go, towards something. Yes or no? Yes. ስለዚህ ማምራት ማለት ነው ወደፊት ስለዚህ ምን ታላችሁ I'm making towards school means I'm just going towards school all right so it means I'm making basically I'm making towards the school it just means I'm going to the school yes or no
Yes.
I'm going to the school that's the meaning of make towards what does it mean to move forward to something ማለት ነው yes or no
Yes.
ግልጽ ነው አሁን ብሩክ ያልገባ ነገር አለ አሁን እዚህ ጋር
No.
ያልገባ ነገር አለ ወይ ግልጽ ያልሆነ ነገር is it clear
Yes.
አሁን ትንሽ እንግሊዝኛውን በዛ አድርገነዋል አይደል
Yes.
ለምን እንደዛ ያደረግ ነው የነሱም አንደርስታንዲንግ ትንሽ እስከዛው ጋር ተስካከለ ትርጉሙ አልፎ አልፎ የሆነ ነገር ጣል ካደረግንበት እነሱም they can be active to learn yes or no ያ ከዚህ በፊት በቂ የሆነ እንግሊዝኛ አማርኛ ስለተሰራ አሁን ወደ ትንሽ ያው ጣል ግድ ነው
Yes.
አሁን ለምሳሌ making to ማለት የሆነ ነገር ወደ መቀየር once ከነገርኳችሁ በኋላ it's just better to give explanations in English yes or no
Yes.
all right any confusion you have here please
No.
I hope you got a very good lesson out of this video this is unique English where you can learn English uniquely anybody who is interested in learning online or face-to-face classes give us a call we can teach you English well we're located at CMC if you want to have in-person classes but if you want to have online classes you can get registered wherever you are you can learn thank you for watching again bye